Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about filter function in JavaScript. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so far we have learned what is an arrow function, spread operator, string literal or map function inside JavaScript. In this video we're going to see what is a filter function inside JavaScript. So let's go to our VS Code. In the same arrow.js file, I'll make an array called ARR and I'll just add some values inside it. It would be, suppose, let's say React. Okay, I'll say Node. The another one would be, let's suppose, Express and maybe Mongo. Okay, odd one out. All right, so we have all these values inside this new array called ARR. Now if I want to just filter this array on the basis of a particular value, suppose I just want two values out of this array, that is a value which has the name React only or the value which has the name Express only. I just want to just filter out that value from that array. What I need to do is to apply that filter method. Okay, so I'll just write ARR. Let's give it a new object. New object would be equal to ARR dot filter, and I will apply this filter function. It would again contain an arrow function, and what my condition is, let's write item, because filter also iterates through all the values of this array. So I can apply a check on this item. If the item, suppose, dot length is equal to maybe 4, so let's suppose the length of the value is 4, so I should get node out of it only. Let's write 4. Okay, so let's just print console.log, and this new object which we filter out of this new array called ARR, let's just write obj inside it. Let's just save it. Now let's go back to the console, go back to the directory in which we are working, and write node add arrow.js. Hit enter, and there you see we have this newly created object which is of type array, inside which we have this single element called node, because we made a check inside our filter function, that is item, the length of the item should be equal to 4. So inside this array we had all the items, but only one item had the length of 4, which was node. So we were able to filter out that item out of this array. So guys, that's how this filter function works. You can use it wherever you feel like. I have just given you an example of how you can use it. It can work in many situations. Wherever you want to make a check on an collection of value, you can use filter function. So guys, that's all for this video. If you have any doubt, please write that in the comment section down below and I'll surely reply to that. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. And yes, please do not forget to watch all the videos in this playlist so that you can get a good hold on all the basics of JavaScript. So guys, that's all for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Jai Hind.